Assalamu alaikum sweet students. Hope you are all fine. Today teacher will tell you about topic living non-living things. This is our first video and lecture number 1. First teacher will tell you about living things. What are living things? Living things are those things which can move, can drink water, can eat and can take breath. All these things are called living things like boy, monkey, fish and tree. All these things can move, can drink water, can eat food and can take breath. So all these things are called living things. Living things move like in this picture. The girl can walk, the bird can fly, the horse can run, the fish can swim. So all these things are called living things because they can move. Next is living things grow. The plants can grow, the human beings is also grow up. So these things are called living things because they can move, they can grow up, they can eat, they can take breath. The next question is, which things require living things to survive? Living things need air, hawa, food, खुराक, water, pani. Living things needs air, food and water to survive. Living things are plants, animals, human, birds and insects. All the things that can move, breathe and drink is called living things. I hope you can understand living things topic. Now we can move further our next topic, which is non-living things. Non-living things are those things that cannot move, cannot take breath, cannot eat food and cannot drink water is called non-living things. Here is some non-living things pics like stones, like comb, table, doll, car, socks. All these things cannot move, cannot drink water, cannot take breath. So all these things are called non-living things. Here is some pics of non-living things like books, like balloons, like clothes, like house. All these things cannot move, cannot take breath, cannot drink water. So all these things are called all these things are called non-living things. Here is an activity for you. Find living things and match with the center circle. First, the girl is a living thing. Fox is also a living thing. Snail is also a living thing. Tree is also a living thing. Ant is also a living thing. Ostrich is also a living thing. Spider is also a living thing. And the last one is butterfly is also a living thing. All these things that cannot move, cannot take breath, cannot drink water is called non-living things. I hope you enjoy this topic. Till next we meet with another video. So thank you. Goodbye.